Hello everyone, and this is my honest review of the Weber Genesis E-325 grill. I'm a huge fan of Weber grills. In fact, this is my second one. My first one lasted approximately 8 years. It still works, but I finally decided to splurge and buy myself a new one, and I'm completely glad I did, and this is the new one. So as you can see here, I'm actually making a rotisserie chicken today. This is a rotisserie. It's an accessory part you must purchase. If you've never used one before, I'm a huge fan. I think they work great, as you can see from this chicken, which looks quite delicious. Now, in terms of the grill, this is what the grill looks like itself. I'm a huge fan of this. I think it works extremely well. I'm running off of propane. This does come as a version that you can have natural gas as your fuel source as well. One feature I really like about this, it's pretty cool, is you have an exterior gauge right here telling me that, hey, my tank is running pretty low. You can also see that inside right here. This is telling me, because of the red mark, that I'm pretty much on empty and I need to replace my tank. So I'll be doing that probably as soon as I complete this cook. Now, this grill is just very dependable. It cooks extremely evenly, no issues with ignition, just fuel supply. It doesn't take a lot of fuel in order to source it and make it work. But what I really like is just the consistency. It consistently cooks extremely well every single time. This is built extremely well, high quality, just very durable. Craftsmanship wise, just immaculate. I have no complaints there. So as you can see, I've got a tray on the left hand side, which serves just a great purpose for holding things. There is a secondary tray that comes to the right hand side. I actually have it right there, but given limited space for storage, I actually took it off, and it's just something I cannot use right now. So that's that, but otherwise it would come with a right hand tray as well. I'm just a huge fan of this. It comes on 4 casters. As you can see here, these casters do lock. But for me, it's great because I can store here against the wall, easily move it out just by myself, and then cook and then move it back into its place, and then I cover it when it's not in use. Like I said, everyone, I'm a huge fan of this. It comes with a igniter switch right here. Very, very easy to use. 3 different grill zones plus a sear zone. I've done everything from rotisserie chicken, obviously, as I'm cooking today, to steaks, to fish, and numerous other meats and proteins and vegetables, and just every time I'm thoroughly pleased with the results. Huge fan of the Genesis product. Like I said, this is my second grill. I wouldn't have bought another one from Weber unless I was completely pleased with the original one. And like I said, the original one worked for years and years and years. I just decided to finally splurge. I wanted something new, and I went out and bought this. No complaints. I know that this chicken today is gonna be great. I know anything I put on here is gonna be great. A very forgiving grill as well. Definitely works for someone like me who is definitely not the most sophisticated cook in the world. I just want something that's gonna be dependable. It's gonna produce great tasting foods, and it's gonna get the job done. And this one right here definitely meets all those expectations.